Hey guys, it's Ashlynn. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a vlog again. Today is Vlogmas day 10. It is 6:55 and I'm getting ready to go to school. I just straightened my hair. It's nothing special. I'm like basically ready for school. I just need to go upstairs and like pack my lunch and eat breakfast and stuff, but my hair's not laying right. It's kind of weird, but excuse my room. But this is my room is so bad. We're gonna go to my bathroom. Okay, so this is my outfit. This is a shirt thing. I don't know what it is. It is from JCPenney. And then I'm wearing black leggings and black Vans with black socks. And then I'm wearing, this is from Brandy Melville. It doesn't really match my outfit, but I couldn't find the necklace that I wanted to wear, so this like works. And then this scrunchie is also from Brandy Melville. So yeah, that's my outfit. And then we had to wear lanyards, as you guys probably know already. Skylar, what's the day today?
Your day, it's onesie day.
Hey guys, we're in fashion. Currently learning about colors. It's fun.
Hi guys. So as you can tell, I'm home now. I'm trying to angle this so you can't see my messy room, but it's so bad. So I'm gonna clean it because my parents have been getting mad at me for the past a long time about cleaning my room, so I should probably do that now. So I think I'm gonna do that right now so they can't get mad at me anymore, and then I'm gonna be the good child, probably their favorite child, after I clean my room. So I'm gonna do that and I'll let you know when it's done. I don't think I'm gonna give you before because it's really bad. So yeah, it's too embarrassing even before, so I'll show you what it looks like after. Right now we're dropping my sister off at the basketball game at the school. I heard that. And then we're going to the store. Okay.
Hey guys!
So my room still is not fully cleaned, but it's alright. I've been working on it. And oh gosh. Basically I was like cleaning up. I was kind of cleaning out my drawers and stuff and trying to find erasers for the pencil I just found. I found my good pencil and there's not an eraser in it, so I was trying to find it, but I found this notebook thing. I was like writing for like a week, pretty much like my diary, I guess, but it's not really. It was just like how my day was and stuff like that. So like I have like just writing and stuff. So what I'm doing is I'm like updating it because this was in like 2015, and so the last one I did was Saturday, April 30th of 2016. Most of them were in 2015, so I'm kind of just like writing again just for like whenever I find the next time, because this was like, there's been a lot of updates, so I was like, you know what, I'll write more because it's kind of fun, just like look back. I'm sorry I haven't been vlogging that much today, but I didn't want it to be like a full school vlog just because I don't want you guys to get tired of those. I want to do like other things besides just school vlogs because that's gonna get boring. Mainly been cleaning out my backpack because my backpack has so many gum wrappers in it and it's so nasty. So I'm cleaning that out.
I'm looking
So
in there.
There's no. He heard gum and now he's searching my backpack.
Your backpack is kind of bigger than yours.
So I posted my Vlogmas day 9 video, and guess who still hasn't cleaned their room? I'm literally so bad at procrastinating, like it's not even funny. Like I hate it so much. So I really need to do that. I'm actually gonna do that and then I'll be back. So right now I'm like cleaning out my backpack and whatnot. This is the backpack that I have, but it is like getting really dirty. Like the bottom is not good. And it's a cream backpack, so like it's obviously gonna get dirty after a while. And it's like just about the end of second semester, no. Second It's about to the end of the semester, and I'm gonna move this to get better lighting. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have my mom wash my backpack. So I cleaned everything out of it, and there was a lot of trash in there. I'm gonna like trade over to this backpack for a couple days while my mom washes it. Honestly, I'm just eager for her to wash it. So like I could wait until the weekend or like the end of the semester, but I'm doing it now. So I'm gonna like put my stuff into my backpack. So I thought I might as well show you what is in my backpack. So we have Chromebooks for our school, and so I'm just gonna put that in there. And in this backpack, this is a Vera Bradley backpack if I didn't say that, but there's like a computer slot, so it's perfect. Let me get my folders and stuff. My sister's coming down.
Give me 1.5, and I just found some place.
And then now I'm gonna put my folders. So I have a folder for fashion interior design because I'm in that class. Sports science, which is like health, physics, PE, and then geometry honors and American studies honors. The sports science one is also honors, so I'm taking all honors classes. So this is my planner. It's just like a basic one from Walmart. It was less than $10, and I just put stickers on it and stuff. All right, I just got a notification for insufficient space on card, and my camera battery died. So we're back. It was literally like 5 seconds, but anyways. And then I have 2 notebooks, and both of them are for geometry honors. I filled this one up completely, which is like the first time I've ever filled up a notebook in school. Like usually they always ask you to get a notebook and then you never use it, but this you actually use, and it's really nice and handy. And then I have the start of this one. We're reading 2 books right now in English, so we're reading Romeo and Juliet, you know, Shakespeare. Super fun stuff. And then this book is our extra credit book. We're not forced to read this, but if you want to get extra credit, then this is the book we're reading. And it's I Will Always Write Back. I'm on page 18. Better like really get on that, but I have my 2 pencil pouches. This one just holds all of my like pens, whiteout, and like my 1 pencil and chapstick. Then this one has all of my highlighters in it, and these are by the brand UV, and there's just a ton in there. They're really handy. I made both of these pouches actually in fashion and interior design. So that's the end of the big pocket. In my smaller pocket, I need this pocket right here. I was literally looking for this necklace this morning. It would have been really good with my outfit. I'm putting my calculator, which I actually lost and then I found again. Gum, which I only have 2 packs left. My money, and it has my P.O. Box key on it, which isn't public right now. And then my permit. And then this is a ton of lead. I literally have it in this case thing because I have so much. I just have hand sanitizer and eye drops because you never know when you're gonna need that. My headphones, my lanyard, which I always put like on the outside of my backpack so I don't forget to put it on in the morning. So I just like wrap it around like that, and then I won't forget it. Literally gonna have to like change my backpack again by like next week, but it's all right. Yeah, anyway, that's a little what's in my backpack randomly. So yeah, anyway, I still need to clean my room, so I'm gonna do that and let you know what it looks like after. Okay, literally after procrastinating all night, I finally got my room completely cleaned. So I'm gonna give you guys like a mini room tour because you guys have been waiting for a room tour ever since I moved downstairs. So still haven't done it, but I'll probably do like a more in-depth one later because this isn't what the video is like fully about. But I will show you what my room looks like right now. So this is literally the cleanest it's been in so long. But you walk in and it looks like this, and you go to the right and I have this like hanging whatever this is. And then, okay, that part's kind of messy, but you kind of get the gist of it. It's like jewelry and stuff like that. You move over, and then this thing I actually made, it's like wood burned, and it's just like a basket of flowers obviously, and it's on like this cedar wood. Down here I just have like some random stuff. It's like these shelves I also made, like I wood burned the leaves on there too. It kind of looks like Christmas lights, but they're supposed to be leaves. And then I have like picture frames, and then this calendar for next year. So it's just kind of like random stuff in this milk crate. Over here I have like my coat rack, which is kind of, again, a little messy, but it gets the point across. The batteries ran out on that thing, but it's just like a fairy light, string light thing. I'm out of breath. My nightstand is from IKEA, and I just have random stuff on it. That shelf is kind of messy, but this is just like a picture of me from Punta Cana, and then that is from Marshall's candle. That thing I made also. I made it at like this pottery place with my friends. And then those are just some Christmas decorations I thought I might add. Then this is my bed. That's the bread spread. I can't remember where it's from. Over here, my Chromebook charger, even though I never use it because I just use Hallie's charger all the time. Another thing is I made this also. It seems like I make everything, but like I don't. But I've made a lot of stuff for my room, I just realized. But this is another thing. It's made out of the same cedar, and then I just wood burned it, as you can kind of tell, and painted it. Then I have more of those same snow globes. I just have more of them. Another candle, it's from IKEA. These dressers, I don't know where they're from. I have my Christmas tree, which I love, and those are some gifts from my internet friends, so I can't like show too much because I know they're watching this. That thing my dad built, and it's just like some big thingy. I don't know. My sister used to have it too in her room. Then that thing just has like hair stuff in it. This is my vanity. Sometime I might do like a whole vanity tour, but that's what I have. Also, I have this giant mirror in my room. Like, it's literally so huge. It shows my whole entire room, which I'm obsessed with it because you can like see my whole room and it makes my room look even bigger. But this is what my vanity looks like. Vanity, I don't know. It's like this whole thing is from IKEA, that I believe is from Target, the chair. Then these cups are from IKEA. I have my water. I usually have like a whole one of these before I go to bed. My tripod, which is usually set up right there if I'm filming like a makeup video. This is also from IKEA. There's just some palettes that I have. Then, I don't know why I have these out, but they're out. And then my tape, because you never know when you'll need tape. I have my scrunchies back there, and then those are my beauty blenders. And then my trash can. And then these are my Alex 9 drawers. So on top of this is literally like my favorite thing. Like, these two things are amazing to have because this is like an alarm clock, but it also has like 2 plugins and then 2 USBs, then your alarm, and then this is a Bluetooth speaker, which I'm actually hooked up to right now. And I love it, and I play music on it all the time. Also, I always have my Scentsy on literally the whole time I'm in my room. Like, you'll probably never see me not having this on if I'm in my room, so that's always on. It's from Walmart. Oh, by the way, that's from Amazon. These 3 things are also from IKEA. They're just fake succulents. This is just like lotion. My mom made it. This is just like really good lotion for you. It has like essential oils in it and stuff, so it's really good for the winter time. Also, this is supposed to be down here, and this is supposed to be on it. And then those are my Alex 9 drawers. I'll be doing my updated makeup collection kind of soon. Actually, I don't even know. Probably not. I don't know why I said soon. But I have been requested quite a bit recently to do an updated makeup collection. So I don't know when I'll do that, but I'll try to do it at some point. So yeah, that is my whole room. And if you want me to go more in depth at some point, I can do that. But like, I basically gave you the gist of it. And there's my closet, but yeah, it's pretty messy. So yeah, that's my room. Oh, I also forgot to mention that these lights up here, these are from Walmart. I get lots of questions on where I got them, and I just got them from Walmart. Okay, so I'm probably gonna go take a shower and stuff now and get ready for bed because it's already like 9:57, so it's like 10 o'clock basically, and I haven't even taken a shower or anything, so I need to do that. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. That concludes Vlogmas in day 10. Yeah, day 10. Hopefully you guys are enjoying Vlogmas. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.